Growing a beard can significantly enhance your appearance and boost your confidence. Whether you're aiming for a rugged look or a stylish stubble, understanding how to grow a beard fast can help you achieve your goal. In this video, we'll explore effective tips and techniques to accelerate beard growth. Beard growth is influenced by various factors, including genetics, hormones, and age. Testosterone and dihydrotestosterone, DHT, play a crucial role in stimulating beard growth. While some men naturally grow thicker beards, others may experience slower growth. Understanding the growth stages of a beard, from stubble to a full beard, is essential for managing your expectations and planning your grooming routine. A healthy lifestyle is key to promoting beard growth. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, such as vitamins A, B, C, and E, zinc, and iron, supports hair health. Foods like eggs, nuts, leafy greens, and lean meats are excellent choices. Regular exercise improves blood circulation, delivering essential nutrients to hair follicles. Managing stress through activities like yoga and meditation can prevent hair loss. Additionally, getting adequate sleep allows your body to repair and regenerate, including hair growth. Proper grooming and care are crucial for a healthy beard. Regularly wash your beard with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and oil buildup. Conditioning your beard helps keep it soft and manageable. Using beard oils and balms can moisturize the skin underneath and reduce itchiness. Brushing your beard stimulates blood flow to the hair follicles and helps distribute natural oils. Trimming your beard regularly prevents split ends and promotes even growth. Consider incorporating supplements into your routine to support beard growth. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, is renowned for its role in hair health. Beard growth supplements often contain a blend of vitamins, minerals, and herbs designed to promote hair growth. Minoxidil, a topical treatment commonly used for scalp hair growth, can also be effective for beards. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatments. Natural remedies can also aid in beard growth. Essential oils like peppermint and rosemary have been shown to stimulate hair growth when applied topically. You can create a homemade beard oil by mixing a few drops of these essential oils with a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil. Regularly massaging your beard area with this blend can improve circulation and encourage growth. Growing a beard requires patience and consistency. Results won't appear overnight, but with a dedicated routine, you'll notice progress over time. Stick to your grooming and care practices, maintain a healthy lifestyle, and be patient with your beard growth journey. Remember, every beard is unique, and your dedication will pay off in the long run.